No, no, I think I killed them. They're all dead. I made a big mistake, and I'm totally owning up to it. It's all my fault. All my Ozzys from my SmartWasher are dead. Okay, moment of silence over. Here's what happened. I'm doing some work in my shop, doing all the electrical work, trying to get my shop done for the next project. And what happened was I unplugged my SmartWasher from CRC and I forgot to plug it back in. So what happened was all of my Ozzys went dormant. And now they're not working anymore because they need to have that heat to stay alive. So now what do? I killed all my Ozzys and I have no way to fix it. Well, that's where you're wrong. And that's where CRC and their SmartWasher system and the Ozzy mats come in. These are Ozzy mats. You have to change these every 30 days anyway. So what happened was I didn't change mine and I let the power go off. So now all my Ozzys are dead. Well, inside these mats, whenever you look and unfold them, you'll see this blue stuff. Well, this is where the Ozzys live, and whenever you heat your system back up and you turn it on, all that Ozzy fluid goes through the mats, catching any particles or debris, comes through the blue and puts new Ozzy bacteria back into the tank. Problem solved. Easy as that. So if you're like me and you killed your Ozzys because you didn't leave it plugged in like you were supposed to, just make sure you go to your local parts store or talk with your tool guy to get a new set of Ozzy mats for your unit. Also, make sure you stock up on them. 30 days goes by quick. Peel another layer off to make sure that you're always keeping your fluid clean, and that way you don't have to worry about cleaning out the tank on the inside. Simple tip for your SmartWasher from CRC. I'm Chad from Flash Performance. We'll catch you next time.